Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to take some time to ponder about the creature known as humans. While humans are often considered the most evolved beings on Earth, in reality, their bodies possess many flaws and imperfections. This time, I'd like to introduce 5 examples of those. So, let's begin. 1. Ears. The ear is the organ responsible for hearing, and in fact, this part can sometimes be the cause of auditory issues. The ear is composed of 3 parts, the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear, each of which can have defects. For example, the outer ear can accumulate a discomforting substance called earwax. While earwax is originally meant to prevent foreign objects or infections from entering, an excess secretion can lead to blockage of the ear canal and inflammation. Additionally, the middle ear contains a thin membrane called the eardrum, which is prone to tearing and can develop holes due to infections or trauma. Damage to the eardrum can result in reduced hearing, along with symptoms like pain and bleeding. Furthermore, the inner ear houses a spiral-shaped organ called the cochlea, which can also be damaged by factors like aging and exposure to loud noises. The cochlea possesses tiny hairs called cilia, and once they are lost, they do not regenerate, leading to a decline in hearing and contributing to hearing impairment. In other words, the ear not only facilitates hearing, but it can also be a factor in causing deafness. 2. Eyelids. The eyelids are fleshy parts that serve to protect the eyes from dryness and microorganisms. However, in reality, this area can sometimes be a cause of vision problems. The eyelids are as thin as the skin of an apple, fragile and incapable of providing sufficient protection for the eyes. For instance, animals like ducks and crocodiles have a transparent membrane on the inside of their eyelids, allowing them to see with their eyes open underwater. However, humans lack such a function. Additionally, the eyelids can influence the shape of the eyeball. If the eyeball becomes too elongated, it can lead to nearsightedness, and it is said that this can sometimes be caused by the pressure exerted by the eyelids on the eyeball. In other words, the eyelids not only protect the eyes, but can also potentially harm them. 3. Sweat glands. Sweat glands are organs in the skin that secrete sweat through small pores. This is also a characteristic feature of the human body. Sweat glands are necessary to regulate body temperature, but humans tend to sweat excessively compared to other animals. This is due to factors such as upright posture and reduced fur, which make humans more prone to temperature elevation. However, excessive sweating can pose risks of dehydration and insufficient salt levels. Additionally, sweat glands can be stimulated by factors like stress and anxiety. This is triggered by the brain sending signals of tension to the sweat glands, originally meant as a response to dangerous situations. However, in modern society, situations causing stress and anxiety do not always correspond to actual danger. For example, excessive sweating during presentations or exams could be considered a malfunction of this response. 4. Spine. The spine is a part of the vertebral column consisting of 33 bones located from the lower back to the neck. However, this is also one of the shortcomings of the human body. The spine is necessary for protecting nerves and organs, as well as supporting the body's posture and movement. Humans, however, bear more burden on the spine compared to other animals. This is caused by upright bipedal locomotion, leading to a load on the spine that can be up to 10 times the body weight. As a result, the spine is prone to pain and stiffness. This is commonly referred to as back pain or a slip disc, and many people suffer from it. The spine has adapted to the human posture, but it has weakened as a consequence. 5. Wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth, also known as third molars, are the furthest back molars located at the back of the mouth. However, they are considered a design flaw in the human body. They were once necessary for chewing hard foods, but with the advent of cooking to soften food, their necessity has diminished. Additionally, human jaws have become smaller compared to other primates, resulting in limited space for wisdom teeth to grow. As a result, wisdom teeth often grow in incorrect positions, such as at an angle or sideways, causing them to be called impacted teeth. This can lead to misalignment of the teeth and may be a source of pain and infection. Moreover, when wisdom teeth only partially emerge, they are referred to as partially impacted teeth, which also increases the risk of cavities and periodontal disease. Wisdom teeth can both enhance chewing power and, conversely, weaken it. 6. Lumbar vertebrae. The lumbar vertebrae refer to the 5 bones located in the lower back region, which are a part of the spine. However, this is also one of the design challenges in the human body. The lumbar vertebrae are essential for supporting body weight, but humans place a significant burden on them compared to other animals. This is due to bipedal locomotion, and the stress on the lumbar vertebrae can reach up to approximately 10 times the body weight. As a result, the lumbar vertebrae are more susceptible to pain and dislocation. This is commonly known as lower back pain or a slip disc, which afflicts many people. The lumbar vertebrae evolved to adapt to the human posture, but it can be said that they have become weaker as a trade-off. Above were the 6 selected flaws of the human body. How did you find them? Throughout the process of evolution, humans gained numerous advantages, but simultaneously acquired many shortcomings. However, these shortcomings can also be considered as distinctive features and characteristics of the human species. By understanding and cherishing our own bodies, we might be able to overcome or even utilize these flaws. If you found it interesting, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.